Hi everyone, I just want to show you how to get on Seesaw to post your writing. So you are going to either click on a link in the agenda that says Seesaw or the icon that says Seesaw, or you can go to Google and type it in. Once you are in the website, let's move the screen here, you can click Log In up in the right-hand corner. I'm a student. Sign in with Google. Do not try to write your email and password here. Sign in with Google. Once you sign in, if you're already logged into your Google account, you're going to see your account right here. Okay? If you are not, it's going to be asking you for your email. Remember, your school email is that 31 and your first 5 letters of your last name, your first name, and your middle initial. Your first initial and your middle initial, and then it's at students.cdschools.org. Once you click login there, you'll see that logged in means someone else. You might see the Central Dolphin login pop up. If it asks for username and password, remember that's the same exact thing except without the at students and CD schools. It's not part of the email, so it's just your 31, your 5 letters of your last name, and the first initial of your first name and your middle initial, okay? And then everybody's password is always school. Once you get to your page, click on Journal. Once you click on Journal, you will see a big green add button pop up. Click on that add button. You want to take a photo of your writing, and your camera will show you, hi everybody. All right, what you can do is just hold your writing up. Get it right up to the screen. Make sure it's nice and clear for Mrs. Vowler. And then snap a picture. And once you've snapped your picture, you'll see in the corner here, there's a green check mark. Click done, and it will post to your journal. Okay. If you don't like your picture, you can always click the undo button and post or retake the picture. Okay.